This is a 2008 Audi A4, a great fit and finish. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a turbocharger, a moonroof, a premium audio system, satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated windshield washer fluid, so when you need to clean your windshield in freezing temps, you can. A low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, projector beam halogen headlights, a power driver's seat, and aluminum wheels. This Audi has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
It's easier at Honda of Decatur. Saving service and satisfaction. Complimentary coffee, Wi-Fi, and car washes. Schedule your test drive today. Honda of Decatur. On the Beltline, it's easier here.